Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Charge the phone to at least 50% and connect to stable Wi-Fi so the download won't fail. Next, make a quick backup to Samsung Cloud, Google, or local storage because updates can change system data. Once done, open Settings, tap Software Update, and select Download and Install. This kicks off the process. You do this now to prevent interruptions. An interrupted update can corrupt system files, so remain on Wi-Fi and keep the screen active until the download completes. You watch the download and verification stages carefully. The phone will check package integrity before installing. After verification, tap Install and the device will schedule or immediately reboot to apply the patch. This can take 10–30 minutes depending on the update size. While installing, avoid powering off or removing the battery. That could brick the phone. If progress stalls, make sure you have 1 to 2 gigabytes free, then retry the download. Once the reboot finishes, the system completes setup and optimizes apps automatically. You finish by verifying the new build in Settings right arrow about phone right arrow software information to confirm success. Make sure apps are updated in the Play Store or Galaxy Store because compatibility fixes often follow system updates. If you notice lag or crashes, reboot once more and allow the system to reoptimize apps. That solves many post-update glitches. If the update fails or the phone won't boot, use recovery mode to clear the cache partition. This often resolves corrupt temporary files without erasing personal data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.